This confirms the search how to buy shares of Genesco Inc. and explains the basics. Genesco Inc. is a retail and wholesale company focused on branded footwear and headwear, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GCO. This information is educational and not financial advice. To buy GCO, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you will usually need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker GCO to find Genesco Inc. quickly. Select the result that matches the NASDAQ listing and the company name. On the Genesco page, review the concise company profile and the price chart to confirm it is the correct stock. Make sure the listing shows NASDAQ and the ticker GCO before moving on. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to spend or the number of shares, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be pending until the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the trade executes, your Genesco position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to explore the platform further.